The new Tesla app for your Apple Watch is finally here. Today we're gonna show you how to get the app installed in your Apple Watch. So please drop a comment if you like the video, subscribe if you didn't already, and let's get started. Make sure you have the latest Tesla app to pair with your watch. Then go to the Watch app inside your phone, select the Apple Watch and look for the app. There you are, Tesla. Let's click on install. Now we just wait. Great, so this is how the app is looking, okay? The app for the Apple Watch is pretty much a summary of the app you have in your phone and the things that you can do from your Cybertruck, okay? Or from your Tesla, I think. So pretty much you can actually, I need to make sure, by the way, that all the softwares from the Cybertruck and the software from Tesla and the software from the iPhone and the software from the Apple Watch, everything needs to have the latest version, okay? Once you have everything set it up, you can start using it. And here you can actually have different options. So you will have a way for you to see the range. You can unlock and lock your car, the front, the climate control, and if you scroll down, you will have more options. So if I use the scroll, you can actually close, you can do the flash, the honk. So pretty much it's a summary of what you have in your app, but in your Apple Watch, which is pretty cool. And if you click on the menu, you can choose from the different products that you have. In my case, I only have the Cybertruck and the charger at the home. Once you finish installing the app, you can come to your Apple Watch, and if you search and scroll for the different apps, you will see that your Tesla app, it is here. So in my case, I did modify the watch that I'm using. Okay, so I actually did click on edit, okay, and here I selected Tesla. If you go back here, you can select the Tesla app, so you have a widget, small widget in the home screen on your Apple Watch, but there's just a few options that you can actually choose from. I selected the range, which is great, and there you are. So that's how it looks my Apple Watch. But if you click on this part, you will access the app itself. Okay guys, hope you liked the video. Subscribe to my channel and see you next time.